Hello, welcome to TIMTOS. It's the 30th anniversary and MTDCNC have landed. TIMTOS 2025. We're so excited to bring you so much content from the coming week. We're in Hall 1 right now in Taipei. We landed last night. We're trying to get over the jet lag a little bit. We're feeling pretty good so far. That's why we're here bright and early. Yes, it's a Sunday morning. Yes, we're working, but we'll be done very soon. Don't worry. Well, let's go walk around now, but we're going to be talking about what's going to happen over the next 5 days. So me and my trusty cameraman behind the camera here, Elliot, are going to be going around the show filming lives every single day. So make sure you tune in every weekday at TIMTOS 2025 on the MTDCNC events LinkedIn page and Instagram. We'll be streaming to all of our different platforms and showing you some fantastic looking technology, some really interesting machinery, because I mean, Taiwan is known for exporting a huge amount of machines. And all those manufacturers are right here at TIMTOS, and this is all about export. So there are 1,000 exhibitors here, 6,000 booths, and international buyers coming from all over the world. So make sure you check our live streams. We're also filming a few different customers today, and the rest of this week, we'll bring you full product reviews of machines like this vertical turning lathe, like CNC machines, big VMCs, some really interesting construction types we'll be covering as well. And looking around, it's my first time here at TIMTOS and Elliot's as well. We're really excited to be here because you can see machines that we film sometimes in the UK as well. So Axile, Okuma, for example. And there's a lot of Japanese manufacturers, a lot of Taiwanese manufacturers. And we're really excited to bring you the best of this Asian machine tool technology. And yeah, just looking around the shop, this is like a behind the scenes view of how the machines that are being set up right now. I'm not quite sure how many machines there will be here. There are 1,000 exhibitors. There must be thousands of machines at least. But we've seen, again, other brands that we know quite well, Hartford as well, Takisawa. And it's really interesting to come to a show where these machines are being produced close by in factories around here. So yeah, really, really interesting to see. I'm not sure how much is about this behind the scenes people might have even seen before, these machines getting set up and commissioned. As per usual, bit like Mac, bit like AMB, bit like EMO, bit like IMTS. It takes a while to set these machines up and people are still setting up probably until the 11th hour tonight. So once all the machines are commissioned, everything's set up, I guess they'll be rolling out the clean carpets for the show as they do in the rest of the shows we've seen before. So as I mentioned, MTD have been to lots of different shows. We've done AMB, we've done EMO, we've done IMTS, we've done Mac. TIMTOS is now probably the next biggest show we could be doing here with MTDCNC. We're really excited to be a global media company that helps produce machine tool videos and show off machine tools, cutting tools, and manufacturing products of all kinds around the world. So if you're at TIMTOS, come and say hello to us. And if you want your product showcased, then come get in touch. You'll see us with the MTD tops running around, hopefully, for the whole show. Even if you're a fan, come and say hello. I'll be here, Elliot will be here, and we can yeah, maybe do a little interview and show off your product if you want us to. And that's it. So we've seen just a little snippet of the machine tools on show here at TIMTOS. And just to reiterate, make sure you tune in every weekday this week, where we'll be live streaming some brand new content, never seen before, really interesting machinery, all from here in Taipei at TIMTOS 2025.